Unit 30, Part A, Activity 2A. Listen and order the inventions. This salty snack was created in 1853 in New York. Chef George Crumb was working at Moon's Lake Lodge and Resort. One customer was always complaining and sending his fried potatoes back. He kept saying the potatoes were not crunchy. Tired of his complaints, Crumb sliced the potatoes as thin as possible. Then he fried them in hot oil and added lots of salt. The customer loved them, and so did lots of people in New York and across the world. John Kellogg and his brother were working for a hospital when they discovered what is now a common breakfast food and snack by accident. The year was 1894. They had to prepare and select the kind of food the patients could eat. One day, while his assistants were boiling wheat, he was chatting to his brother. They accidentally left the wheat cooking too long. When they took it off, the wheat separated into flakes, and the brothers quickly realized that they could bake these into a crispy snack. After more experiments, they found out that they could use corn instead of wheat. This children's toy wasn't supposed to be a toy. It was invented as a wallpaper cleaner in 1955. Noah McVicker designed it while working with his brother at a soap factory. Unfortunately, a new kind of wallpaper was invented soon after, which could be cleaned with water. McVicker's product was no longer needed. While McVicker was worrying about his business, Kay Zufal, a nursery school teacher, was making decorations with her students using the wallpaper cleaner. She later told the McVickers about it. They decided to remove the detergent and add colouring, turning it into a children's toy. It was Kay who suggested the name Play-Doh. Unit 30, Part A, Activity 3. Listen and complete the sentences. 1. While his assistants were boiling wheat, he was chatting to his brother. 2. While McVicker was worrying about his business, Kay Zufal was making decorations with her students using the wallpaper cleaner.